guys, welcome. Sorry for not posting any videos. So let's unbox mystery bag. Oopsies. I want this big one. I hope there's a baby tree inside. I hope there's a baby tree inside. Oh. OMG. This one's actually cute. Let's unbox some more. Affordable blind boots and yellow basket. Go to TikTok and buy some. No duplicate, please. No duplicate. I opened this secretly. A duplicate. Oh my god. A duplicate yellow. So cute. They look like golden. So guys, I will unbox three packs from my birthday. So let's put them on my... The diamond one disappeared. Not a stickers. Decorate them right now.
Ano ba bibili mo pa? Ay, saan ako ano na? Sa MI, ano na? MIEN. Ilang sila? Ilang po kayo.